I think something that's super important to remember when creating content is that it's eventually gonna get binged. Like, don't worry about posting something. You're like, yo, this is a dope video. Like, I just made this YouTube, Instagram, whatever it is, this TikTok. And you're like, man, like, I don't want to post it now or whatever. Because, like, what if it don't get enough likes? I know it's meant to be seen by so many people. Just understand, like, people are going to binge your content eventually. Like, I'm making this content right now. And, like, I don't have all my subscribers I'm meant to have yet. But I just know once I blow up, people are going to be like, oh, I got to watch all the rest of his stuff. So just put out content. Don't worry about the immediate results. Understand in the long run, they're going to binge your content. So I'm all about putting out quantity because, like, for me, this is my particular like thing. I don't want to die not getting it all out. Like, I don't want to, like, not post something because I'm like, let me space it out. No, I want to get it out because I don't know when I'm going to die. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, people are going to binge this after I die. People are going to binge this next year, 2 years from now, 10 years from now. Maybe I'm not even doing this no more. Like, I want to get it out because I don't know what's going to happen. And I think we get, like, too much into, like, paralysis analysis, or, like, let me make this video right. Like, just get it out there, dog. Especially when you're going through it, because now people can kind of, like, see you and, like, document, like, where you were at each point in your life. And so when people binge it, like, dang, this is where Jamar was in 2023, 2024, whatever it may be. And it's like, dang, that's crazy. I understand I'm gonna be binged. Like, I look at, like, artists, like, for example, when you, like, find a new artist, right? And you, like a song, right? And then you, like, go to another song and you like that too. Then you listen to the most recent album. Like, man, this album nice. Now you're like, all right, I gotta go listen to the old albums. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I first started listening to J. Cole, I definitely didn't hear all them old mixtapes when he was like 20 years old and at St. John's. Like, I didn't listen to those off rip. I listened to the stuff, I think it was like Born Sinner I listened to first. Now I'm like the biggest J. Cole fan, and I go back and listen to the warm up all the time. If you listen to J. Cole, you know what I'm talking about. But I listened to that music he was making before he blew up. Then I'm like, yo, that's a classic. But nobody even knew about him then, for the most part. But now I binge it consistently. This video may not be seen by a lot of people in the next 5 years. But in the next 20 years, y'all gonna binge this video and be like, yo, Jamar knew it, bro. He knew we were gonna binge his content. You know what I'm saying? I think my thing messing up. I like how I can be so authentic. I don't care about being perfect. But, like, people are gonna binge your content, bro. Or girl, like, whoever, sis. They go binge your content. Don't worry too much. Just get it out there and let it happen. You feel me? Let it happen. And so I'm excited to know, like, 1,000 years from now, if the earth's still, like, going, they're gonna watch this video like, yo, put it out there. You feel me? So I'm excited because and the reason I'm making this video is because just a second ago, I'm watching one of my videos I made like this, and I'm just like, yo, this is, like, almost too fire. Like, this needs to be out there and everybody needs to watch the video. But they're not, especially not right now when I post it. But in some years, people can be like, ooh, he had it like that back then too? Dang, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not worried about the results. You got to remember, again, this is my philosophy, but you got to detach from the results and love the process, and that's when the results will come. See what I mean? Because if you're worried about the results, you're never going to be consistent because you need the results to keep going. But when you love the process, all of a sudden you can be consistent and then the results eventually come. But you never know how long it takes to be dedicated to a process to get the results you're wanting. So you have to detach from the results and love the process because eventually they'll come, but there's no way of knowing timing. Okay, so just put it out there. They're going to binge your content, dude. Don't worry about it. Just put it out there, dog. Hope this encouraged somebody that got them videos, because I'm like one of those people that got like 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 videos just stacked. And I'm just like, ooh, do I want to put it out? Like, they going to like it? Is it edited right? Like, bro, just get it out there, bro. You can always repost it too. I can always re-upload these joints again. That's what's crazy. Like, I can always re-upload them as well. Like, there's no need to worry. And your real fans, they gonna binge it, dog. They gonna binge it. So, yeah, I'm about to continue my day. If anybody want to know what I'm doing today, I'm about to, like, finish up my work. And I'm going to Colorado to speak. So, I should probably get back to work so I can finish it before my flight. But put that content out. Or whatever it is in life, go for it. People are eventually gonna read your story and be like, whoa, he had all that or she had all that, whatever it is. So, people gonna binge it. People gonna binge your content. No worry, put it out there. I'm glad me thinking how y'all are probably thinking if you're watching this video inspired me to make this video to get you to stop thinking like that. All right, peace. Like, comment, subscribe, comment what you think or not.